Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to configure DHCP, DNS and web server in Cisco Packet Tracer. By the end of the practical, you will be able to create a basic client server network with DHCP server that will assign automatic IPs to clients and a DNS server to resolve a domain name into an IP address. So let's start. For this, we will be using 3 servers, 1 switch. For this, I will take 2960 as switch and we will use 2 PCs. Let's do the connection. We will use a straight through cable, fast Ethernet to any port. I am using the automatic cable. This server is not the right one. Let's change it. So now we have to assign IPs. Let's say this is our DHCP server. With the IP address of 192.168.1.1. This will be, wait a second. This will be our DNS, let's say web server with the IP of 192.168.1.2, and this will be our DNS server. And this is on 192.168.1.3. So now we have decided what will be the IP addresses of each server. Now set up the static IP address in each server. So this is our DHCP server. We are using class C IP address. This is our web server which has the IP address of 192.168.1.2, and this will be our DNS server. Currently our PCs doesn't have any IP because we haven't enabled any services of the DHCP server. So let's start configuring DHCP server first. We will go to the services. By default, web services of all the servers is enabled. So we don't need web services on this server. We only need DHCP server. So turn it on. So pass our DNS server info to the clients, which is 192.168.1.3. And if you want to start your IP address from a specific range, set that range and how many clients you want to connect in your network. Let's suppose I want only 20 clients. You can also set these and click save. So the information will be stored here, and the name of our pool is server pool. That is the default one. Let's leave other things as it is and go to our PC. Check whether the DHCP server is providing the IP or not. Yes, it is providing with DNS server entry. which is 192.168.1.3. Currently we haven't configured the DNS server, but we will do it. So now our clients has the IP address which they can communicate. Let's check it. So here the communication between these two devices is successful. Now we want to set up a web server, which is this one. We already done the IP configuration part. Let's start the HTTP services, which is by default on. And here is the index.html, which you want to change it. If you want to, you can change it. It is like chatgpt.com. Save it. Yes. And go to our PC. For visiting a website, we need a web browser. Enter the address of the server which has the website officially hosted, which is 192.168.1.2, and we will click go. So our website is up here. Now we want to set up a DNS server because it is not feasible to remember the IP address of a website. So we will set here. We will go to services. HTTP services will be off, and the DNS is turned on. Name of the website, let's say www.gpt.com is the website. And where is the website hosted? Where is the website hosted? It is on 192.168.1.2, because 1.1 is the DHCP server, 1.2 is the web server, and 1.3 is the DNS server. Add the entry. Record is added. Let's go to another PC. Check on the web browser. www.gpt.com, and the website is open. You can test this. How is the packets moving in the simulation mode? Go to simulation, and on the client web browser, here I will enter www.gpt.com. A packet has been generated on the PC3, which has the type of, let's hover the mouse over here, it will tell, but it is currently not showing. You can click on it. You can see the details of the packets. Now click next. The packet went to the switch. The PC does not know the IP address yet, so it will go to DNS server to ask for the IP address of the particular domain. DNS server will give the IP address corresponding to its address, and PC3 received it, and now it will communicate with the web server. Web server will send the packets. It will send the HTTP packets, all that packets. Currently the website is not open, but if we click next, and once it completes the cycle, the website will be opened. So this is the whole process of DHCP, DNS, and web server. So thank you.